Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2026 Grand Design IMAGINE. It's a 22 MLE. So we have a tandem axle, and I'll show this from the other side as well. I really like this new flooring, the diamond flooring. So often I see used RVs and the pass-through storage gets so scuffed up, beat up, and then water damage. And that new diamond coating texture, rubberized texture, is really, in my opinion, a game changer. I love to see the improvements on the technology and the features, the benefits. You know, something else that Grand Design has done, they put all of the marking information on there now. But here's that surface that I was talking about, and it just makes a huge difference, in my opinion. You have, you know, water here. Yeah, you have your drain, but so often I see on used RVs that it, over a period of time, it gets damaged. 2 batteries, 2 propane. Let's get inside where we can see the interior. So this RV is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new used service and parts. As we step inside, nice bedroom area. Well, not really a bedroom area, but sleeping area. And then very large storage. And then you can see how easy that tray slides back and forth. We close this back down, so we have nooks on both left and right, and you have USB as well as residential. We have cabinets above, cabinets on both left and right, as well as drawer on left and right, as you see there. We have window here and a window here, so we have nice cross ventilation. We also have windows in the slide out here, well, singular window, open up, more draft. I love the theater seating with the center armrest. And if we get the perspective, well, I'll just sit down for a second, take a load off. So you can see the TV right there. We also have the dining area. We have, I'll show you the stereo, your light controls, and then your HVAC. And we have a cabinet here. So I'm just sitting down on the job. So I'm going to go ahead and get up and move around. Flat screen TV. Here's the stereo, and then the power controls that I mentioned. Nice mirror, and then very deep cabinet. And you can see just how deep that is. And then also, so your paper, or your trash bag liners, your little waste basket. Backup, freezer on top, refrigerator. Bank of 3 drawers, very large drawer for pots, pans, oven, 3-burner, microwave, nice corner kitchen area, soap dispenser, drying rack, cabinets, drawers, additional smoke cabinets on top with smoked glass. Very nice amount of storage here in the bathroom, and then a very nice shower with a skylight. We also have the exhaust fan. As we turn around, we'll take a shotgun approach to the RV. So again, a 2026 Grand Design 22 MLE. Thanks again for watching. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video.